It's 2023 and you are still searching on the internet for how to make money online. But still, you haven't found anything that will help you out. You have heard of AI and how to make money with it. There are many YouTube videos showing how you can make money using artificial intelligence. And I know nothing of these things works. But wait, I have found a genuine way of doing this. You can start a AI YouTube Automation Shorts channel. Don't worry, I will show you how you can do this. There are 4 steps for creating the perfect AI shorts for your channel, and the last step is very important, so make sure to watch till the end. To start a channel, you'll need to select a niche. I will give you a niche that worked for me, and in which the videos are really simple to make. The niche is making videos on curious questions that are based on conspiracy theories. Don't worry, I'll show you how to make it. So, let's begin. The first step is creating an engaging and curious script for our short. For this, we are going to use ChatGPT. Let's ask ChatGPT for the most curious questions on conspiracy theories. Here are the 10 questions. Let's select one of these questions. Now I'll ask ChatGPT to generate a script on this question. Here is our script. Let's make it more interesting and engaging. This is our final script. The second step is creating a cool AI voiceover. For this, I'm going to use Google's text-to-speech. Just go to Google's text-to-speech website and in the demo section, paste your script. We have to pay to download the voiceover, but don't worry, we can record it. Just download free software called Audacity on your PC to record the voiceover. Now I'll record the voiceover.
Have you ever wondered if the moon landing was faked? Sounds like a plot of a Hollywood movie, right? Well,
boom, our voiceover is ready. The third step is to edit the video. For the B-roll of the video, I'm going to use a simple Minecraft parkour gameplay that I've downloaded from YouTube and it's copyright-free. I'm using Premiere Pro for editing these videos. In the video editor, just simply add your B-roll and voiceover. Now the half video is already done. To make the video more interesting, I will add this cool text highlighting animation at the start of the video. Now for the caption, I'm going to use the auto-transcribing tool, which is built into Premiere Pro. Boom, your captions are generated. Let's style them and make them look nicer. Now our video is almost done. Let's add the background music to this short. I have downloaded this background music from YouTube's audio library. Done. Our short is ready to upload. This is how the full short looks.
have you ever wondered if the moon landing was faked? Sounds like a plot of a Hollywood movie, right? Well, some conspiracy theorists believe that the United States government staged the moon landing in 1969 on a soundstage. But let's be real here. Do we really think the government had the technology to fake such an extraordinary event back then? And what about the 400,000 people involved in the Apollo program? Would they all really keep such a secret for so long? Let's face it, the moon landing was real, and it was a monumental achievement for mankind. So, let's put this conspiracy theory to bed. Grab some popcorn and watch the original footage of Neil Armstrong's iconic words, "One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind."
The last and fourth step is being consistent in uploading shorts, but remember, only upload one short a day. Don't upload more than one short per day or YouTube will stop pushing your content. Now you have a full roadmap to start. Start this from today, from now, and be consistent. Don't give up. Thanks for watching.